Hey, what's up, guys? So today is day 18, and I want to share tips with you that can help you tremendously on gaining muscle in the next year. I got messages of some people saying that they were training, a year or more, and they have not seen results. So hopefully excuse me, these tips help you out. So tip number one, guys, is quality. The quality of your reps. It's very easy to do a lot of volume. It's very easy to do a lot of reps, a lot of sets, and incorporate a lot of volume into your workouts, meaning you're doing a lot of work at the gym. But the quality of your reps, this is what a lot of people do not pay attention to. If you could pay attention to each rep and make, let's say, 20 pounds feel very heavy, stress the muscle. Because the thing is, a lot of people are going through the motion. They're going to the gym. They're lifting it up, and down, but they're not really making the muscle do all the lifting. Minimizing, gravity and momentum. Tip number two: training frequency. How often are you training each muscle group? If you're able to train each muscle group twice a week, you will definitely see better results than somebody who's training it just once a week. You're increasing the volume by training it more frequently, and it has been proven that you will get more results. So definitely, if you can make the time, if this is important to you and you want to see the best gains, make the time and put work in the gym. However, if you do not have the time to do that, you could still see gains even training each muscle, once a week. You won't see, better gains than someone who's really dedicating, a lot of time to the gym, but you will still see results. And that's what matters. I know a lot of us do not have the time to, take our beds and put it in the gym and live there. Like me, I have an apartment in there. I pay rent and everything. Tip number three: do not do the same workouts every single, let's say Monday is always chest day. Rotate your workouts so you're training it more frequently. That way you don't have to wait another Monday to train chest again. Try to make your schedule more flexible and hey, I wanna dance. I forgot what to say. So let's edit this video and make them dance. Tip number four: does not matter how complex, how perfect your workout is, how scientifically perfect in every aspect of every little rep, how perfect you contract those muscles of yours, those tiny little biceps, and you squeeze and you pray that those muscles will grow. Without the calories, without that fuel, your muscles would not grow. If you're not gaining weight, if you're looking at the scale, you're not gaining weight, 2 to 3 pounds at least, or 1 to 2 pounds if you want to be lean bulking, you will not grow. I recommend you do not gain 5 pounds a month, because that's going to be fat. I could get away with it, some people could get away with it, and if you know how to cut, it won't be a problem later on. But 1 to 2 pounds is best, because it's not all going to be muscle. But just remember this: if you're not gaining weight, you are not going to build muscle. Now, there are exceptions here. For example, like in my case, since I came back from an injury, it's possible for me to lose fat and gain muscle. That meaning that my body weight could stay the same. Or for a beginner could lose some body fat and gain some muscle, as well as somebody who's very overweight. They have a lot of stored body fat. They could also lose body fat and gain muscle mass, making their weight stay at the same level, which drives them pretty nuts, because they want to lose weight, but the scale is telling them, like, you're not losing weight. And they'd be like, oh man, I want to lose weight, but the scale will be like, nah, yo, you ain't losing weight. Because the thing is, they're gaining lean muscle mass. So like, if they gain 2 pounds of muscle and they lose 2 pounds of fat, the scale will be like, yo, you're the same. But in reality, their body compositioning is changing. Tip number five: compound movements. This will get you the maximum amount of gains. However, if you cannot do compound movements, it's okay. There is hope in this life. For me, I cannot do squats. I'm just like, I had an injury in my back. I'm all messed up. But listen, it's fixed. But I'm gonna work my way into squats later on. Deadlifts, another compound movement, and I'm not doing it. Bench press, another compound movement. I'm not doing it. Overhead press, bent over rows, I do that. There's certain exercises that I do not do because of my bad shoulder. I have a lot of injuries, and something I'm doing is slowly rehabilitating. If you're in my position, you have injuries, compound movements is, they do, how you say this, they will get you maximize, they will maximize your gains, but they're not necessary to build muscle. However, if you're able to do them because they will give you faster results. And this brings me to my last tip: have patience. Most of my injuries come from doing things I'm not supposed to be doing, which is not being patient enough with my lifts, trying to lift more than what I can handle, trying to do things that the body can't do, which is trying to stay lean, build muscle. It's just not gonna happen. If you're patient with your results, you will see great results over time. It adds up pretty fast. A year's time, you can make a lot of gains if you follow these steps. I will also put a lot of videos that cover more of these steps down in the link below if you guys want to check those videos out. Very helpful. Do your research, find motivation, find the source of motivation. Of course, discipline is what's going to keep you in the gym. It's going to keep you doing all these workouts. But once in a while, feed your mind some motivation. You need to renew it. You need to recycle it. If you don't, a day's gonna come by. It's gonna be like, what am I doing? Why am I in here? Why am I in this gym? I'm going home. You're gonna feel that way. It's gonna happen. For me personally, I just enjoy it. I love it's like you're painting your own painting with your body. You're sculpting it, and it's really fun. Like what can I do? What can I achieve? I know for some people it doesn't look that way, but set a goal. Like if you go out often and maybe you want to impress a girl, do something that make a challenge, short-term goals. This week I want to look a certain way. The slight, like small, achievable. Not like this week I want to look like The Rock. I'm only 5'8", but by the end of the week I'm gonna be 6'4", and I'm gonna be 260, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. No, nothing like that. Just realistic things, and keep recycling that motivation. Search it and feed positive things to your head, because like if you look at it in a negative way, it's not gonna help. Always positive, guys, and that's gonna help you change your physique, and hopefully that helps. But guys, that's the video. Hopefully you found that helpful. For those of you that need help, with your meal plans, you need your macros counted and all that, I could take all that work off for you guys, because I do offer online coaching if you do need the help. You could also find, like I said, helpful videos on this alone. But if you need the extra help, you could email me at azxallenhill@yahoo.com if you're serious. If you're serious about the results. I don't want you guys wasting your money and not doing anything. But I will be bringing more videos, guys. And of course, hold on to the channel, man. Comment below, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.